How to save InShot draft video in gallery. First of all, open your InShot and then from here tap on video. And in here you can see I have two drafts. Tap on this two drafts right here. Then you can see all of your drafts. Now select the video you want to save to your gallery. So in order to save it, all you need to do is tap on the export button right here. Then after doing that, you can now select resolution, time frame, format, and whatever you like. After doing that, all you need to do is tap on save. And just like this, here you can see we have successfully saved the video on our gallery. If you go back and simply open your gallery, in here you can see the video right here. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.